Previously on our Europe trip.
We're on our way to the yacht, you guys, so stay tuned. We'll take you with us, and let's do it. You ready, man? Yeah. The real vacation begins.
I know, after we went.
Hello. Thank you. Yeah, I'll take one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome gift. Yeah, I'm not. We're gonna do this
and try to run that.
Okay, so we are on board the Ritz Carlton Yacht Collection. This is the Terrace Mid-Suites room. It's a really, really nice room for a cruise. You have a nice king-size bed over here. Very, very comfortable, just like the Ritz Carlton would be. Check this out, they give you an iPad where you're able to control everything, request room service, check out what's going on. Everything is controlled on this iPad. Over here, you have your closet space. You have your robes, where to hang stuff up, places to put your suitcase. Over here, you have storage space. You have dresser drawers down there. Over here, you have at least a 50-inch, I would say, screen TV. Really nice with your welcome stuff on board. Your remote down here. Over here, you have your desk area where you're able to complete your work if you're on here yachting for a long time, with more storage space over here. Really nice light fixtures and decorations. And over here, you have your coffee pot. You have your coffee maker, espresso maker. You have your mini fridge down here to put anything that you need to keep cold in. They do greet you with the welcome gift right here. Bottle of Moet champagne. Can't go wrong with Moet. It's an amazing room for a cruise ship. Amazing. And out here, you have your own personal balcony. And it's crazy. We're in Rome right now, so we're at the ports. You have an amazing view of anything that's going on outside. And we'll walk back over here. I passed the bathroom up. We have the bathroom over here, which is a very luxurious bathroom. Again, for a cruise ship, this is crazy, honestly. Very nice his and hers sinks. Plush towels like the Ritz Carlton would have. Over here, you have your toilet room, separated from your shower. You have a rainforest shower head at the top, the regular faucet over there if you need it as well. I keep emphasizing this, but for a cruise ship, it's crazy how much it looks like a Ritz Carlton room. You guys are sure to love it. It's one of the best rooms I've ever been on a ship, so hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, you guys, we just boarded this beautiful ship. It's
So
crazy
nice.
shit. Like, yeah, look in the back. You can already tell it's a nice ship. So it's the Ritz Carlton Yacht Collection. But we're gonna take you on a little tour, show you what everything's like, and yeah, you'll get a taste of what we're seeing because it's crazy.
It's beautiful. So there we go. What up? It's the afternoon time, not the morning.
It's us again.
We missed breakfast because of me. I slept in because I have not slept in at all. So we are headed to brunch.
She got her beauty rest like she needed some more. Look how stunning she is. But yeah, we're headed to brunch, so we'll show y'all what it looks like. We're almost there. Doors opening. Brunch is at the EVRIMA room. The EVRIMA room. Yeah, the tables.
Full gazpacho with onion and grilled tablet. Down track we have the walnut crush brie with
Okay.
foie gras parfait. At the end we got salmon roulade with lobster roll.
That's my favorite.
That looks good. Thank you very much. Alright, you guys, so we're going to Talitnam. The what kind of restaurant is it? Asian cuisine?
So we did change our plans. So
Yeah,
just-
we did change our
So we're
plan.
going to this stroke.
So, alright, let's go
we'll
see
tell
what
you
it's
how-
about.
So it's chicken, fried rice.
and ramen with bok choy and chicken, pork belly. Alright, you guys, so they have games all over. We chose Connect 4 because she's gonna lose. So
And then
stay
when I
tuned.
win, you have to re-record it and show me.
Okay, stay tuned. We're gonna see me win. Ready? Alright, y'all. You ready to lose? Yeah? Let's do it.
I'm not angry. I lost 3 times
She's in a
because
rage.
he's playing
Look,
like a
look.
strategic way. Like he has a specific way where he knows how to
angry.
win. I'm not angry.
She's
Like
very
you know
angry.
how to win, and you're playing.
No,
that
I
secretly.
don't.
Yes, I just said to you earlier. I said, why are you
How many
playing
times
the
do I
same? 3 times. I said, why are you playing
How
the
many
same
times did you
thing?
win?
1 time.
0. She
I
won
won the
0
first
times.
game. Look at him lean back like that. Lean back again. Show him. I'm yellow, you guys. See that right there? He said I couldn't beat him, but it's because I was drinking red wine and I wasn't on my game. Look at him. He's like, how did she win? How did she win? I won.
had a win already.
You didn't have a win. Get over yourself. I won. Say I won, babe.
You won.
All right.
Let's run it back.
All right, we're watching
When
a
I
movie
read Romans 13:4,
because the jacuzzi's full.
that he punished 2 of the 3 men who
No, I'm just
attacked
kidding.
him
We're just
before
being
he
lazy and want to watch a
himself
movie.
was
Right,
killed.
babe?
Yeah, we
Means I will
chilling.
never think of
About to
anyone
order
else
some
ever
room
being
service right after we got back from lunch.
We're gonna gain all the weight on this cruise ship.
This verse.
They got a whole library of movies,
He died
free movies,
protecting his
Yeah.
family,
free food.
his
Well, it's not
friends,
free. It's in the ticket, but
and his city.
but it's free.
He was a
I want to show you guys how nice the view looks out here right now. on our balcony. Look how pretty that is. So peaceful. All you hear is water. All you see is water. Just really, really nice. All right, we're about to take this boat to Portofino, to the island over there. It looks like a big old submarine. So here we go. Let's go.
Oh, this is cool. Ready? Hello, guys. Hi there. Hello, guys. All right, you guys, so today we got off the ship. We're in Portofino.
We didn't get off yesterday because we feel like the ski just wasn't really a vibe.
Yep.
So we're here in Portofino right now.
We're at the yacht marina, so you can see all the yachts over here. That's a big old yacht right there. But yeah, all right, we're gonna take you along with us. They got a lot of beautiful buildings. Find some pasta down here and stay tuned. Let's do it. Beth, what you find? You know she was gonna find something.
No, Shy got me the candles, body oil, and the lotion. I've been looking for the perfume.
So one thing about down here is, like all the places down here, they have all the shops. So they have Alexander McQueen down there, Dior down there, Louis Vuitton. So it's like shopping and food. Look at the painting on the buildings. For the pasta. Look, you guys, that's baby octopus. See it? Whoa. Bon appetit. Alright, you guys, we're going on a hike. Came from up there. Now we're gonna go down these narrow stairs to get back to our wife. Okay, so tonight we're at the EVRIMA room. It's Italian cuisine. This is the menu. This is the restaurant. Look at my wife sitting pretty over there. Look at that rainbow.
My day clothes.
The view. Alright, you guys, so it's the next day. Yesterday we're in Portofino. Today we're waking up in Monaco, Monte Carlo. Look at all the yachts. Those are mega yachts. Those are multi-million-dollar yachts. So today we're gonna get into some activities, go to the casino. About to eat some breakfast right now, so stay tuned. We're gonna take you guys with us. So let's go.
Well, actually afternoon. We're here in Monaco. I think the Grand Prix is going on right now. You can see it in the background. Look. I mean, you can't see it, but you can see where they're delivering the cars and stuff like that. So we can't be in the way and we can't do a bunch of crazy shooting, but we're gonna try to take this hop on. Let me show you the map.
This tour bus.
Tour.
Hop on, hop off tour.
See if we can find somewhere where we can drone.
Yeah, it's been hard to find places.
It's been really
to
hard to find.
Yeah, we haven't been able to
we're
do
gonna, regardless, do this little tour and kind of go see a bunch of places and stuff. So as usual, we're gonna take you guys along with us so you can see Monaco with us. It's actually very beautiful. The sun is finally out. It's not raining, so let's go.
All right, you guys, let's go. Electric taxi. And we're out. Hello. Thank you. All right, so we missed the bus.
We missed the bus now. We're in a taxi, and then we'll get back on the bus.
Alright, you guys, so there's the casino right there. That's the Hotel de Paris. The old school cars. Look at this Rolls Royce. This is crazy, y'all. Alright, you guys, so we just left the casino area and it's crazy nice, huh, bro?
So nice. It's like all gold, diamonds.
Yeah.
They sell diamonds.
We
crazy.
took some videos, but we couldn't take videos in the casino, but
Yeah.
y'all get the picture. But man,
Yeah, it's really nice.
we didn't know it was gonna be this nice, but we're gonna take you guys along this little, they got shops over here and stuff. So let's go see what's over there. Made it on the bus. It's hot, but we made it on the bus.
So we finally made it up to the palace. We took the little double-decker bus up here. It's super cute. There's like a little town through there.
So we're gonna go through there.
So we're gonna go through there.
We're at the
gonna
top.
eat.
Look
We're
at
gonna get
this.
the girls some souvenirs. Let's hit the road, Jack. Come on, baby.
All right, let's go. Ash is dressed perfect for this occasion.
Just perfect for every and any occasion. All the time. That's what I do best.
Alright, you guys, so we just got to Saint-Tropez. We got our bags. Going to check in. Thank you, sir. Alright, you guys. Alright, you guys, so we're headed to the hotel. We're going to Nikki Beach. Go have some fun. It's a beautiful day outside. We've been having rain for I don't know how long. It's been like a week. We've been catching some sun, but it's finally sun. So all right, let's go have some fun, guys. Okay, so we're in Saint-Tropez at Chateau de la Mézadier. That's the name of the resort. And it's one of the most beautiful rooms I've seen. This is the 1-bedroom suite. So over here you have your living room. Nice spacious living room too. You have your desk area over here. You have your coffee and your coffee maker over there. You have your little living room table, I'm sorry, where they left sweets and treats and a nice bottle of Vul for a welcome. Over here, you have a nice size flat screen TV. Over here, you have an incredible walk-in closet. So if your significant other is one of those people that packs huge bags and needs to unload their bags, there's a nice sizable walk-in closet Over here, you have a safe for all your important belongings. Nice size safe. You have drawer space, cabinetry space. And over here, these double doors open up and can close for privacy for your bedroom. But you have your bedroom over here. Nice king size bed. You know I love to tell you guys about the bed. It's really comfortable. Really comfortable. You have 2 nightstands on both sides. Over here, you have like a princess window. That's what I called it. I don't know if that's what it's called, but you open up the window. You have a nice view of the outside over there. And over there. You have a nice flat screen TV on this side again, with some cabinet space under there. A mirror over there for when you're getting ready. You want to check out your outfit. In here, you have a beautiful bathroom. His and her sink. Walk-in shower on this side. You have your toilet room over here with a door that opens and closes. You have a nice bathtub over here. If the wife likes to take a bath, or even if you come with children, you need to bathe them, that's the perfect size bathtub. On this side, the final thing we have is our balcony. Now this balcony opens up right here with the glass door. You walk outside, you have a nice table, umbrella, and a beautiful view. You have a sea view, so over there is the water and the ocean. You have a nice view off of the side of the resort. Amazing view, guys. This room in this hotel has really surprised me. Wasn't expecting all this, but it's a beautiful place. Beautiful place in Saint-Tropez. So, hope you enjoyed it. Salty as a beach.
Never salty.
Headed to Nikki Beach. Look at this incredible view. Get to wake up to every morning.
You were about to say, look at this incredible statue.
Oh no. Headed to the beach club. Look at the sun, man. It's crazy. It came out.
The best one.
The best one is 1.9 kilograms. This is the maximum size to share for 2 people.
For
we
2
serve it
people?
with some spicy pasta with cherry tomato.
Let's do that instead of everything else. He's alive too. Shit. Oh, he's really moving. That's crazy.
Alright guys, I just got back from Nikki Beach, but I noticed on the bed they have these cute bags that they gave us. A hat, actually 2 hats, 2 different type of hats. And look, pajamas. They gave us pajamas in these cute little baggies. Wait, where's the white one? In these cute little baggies, and with pants. I've never had a hotel give pajamas before. I've had them do bags, even hats before, but never pajamas. I think that's such a cute idea. And I think all the other hotels should step their game up. And it's actually really soft too on top of it. Like the material is super, super soft. So yeah, just wanted to show that.
Okay guys, so for dinner we came to La Table de la Mesadier. There's my beautiful wife. Look at the amazing view. It's a very nice restaurant. Oh wow,
See.
that's a big chicken. Okay, you guys, so we're at the Chateau de la Mesdier. We're gonna take you guys on a tour. It's really, really nice.
It's a nice hotel. It's so big. We've traveled everywhere, and this is literally the biggest hotel we've ever been to. So we're so excited to show you guys what it looks like because I'm dying inside.
It's crazy.
It's so nice.
All right, you guys.
All right.
Check it out. This is the Marina Terrace. This is on the 3rd floor. It's a deck on the back where they have water sports. It's only open when we're anchored though. But they have kayaking, paddle boating. Looks like they have sailboating. They have lounge chairs. Over here they have places to relax. They have a bar over there. Yeah, we're out at sea right now. So we hopped off the boat to get souvenirs. Look, they're in her hand.
Oh,
It was
sorry.
successful. We
I'm
made it.
messaging my nurse.
I'm trying to get back before we see any more shopping stores. Trying to get out of here. No more shopping.
Just one more.
But it's nice. They got all these little buildings. Oh, look, there's our mez right there. It's that big building.
Oh, wow. I think she said shoes was 2
To the
stores
left.
down, though.
Oh, look, they have all the shops.
What did you get?
And we're headed back to the ship, y'all. Finally done with Saint-Tropez. Yeah, it's been nice. Whew. All right, you guys, so we just got off the ship. We're headed to the train station now in Paris. Got all our stuff. We're at the port. Gonna catch a taxi, so it was an amazing experience though, huh? It was an amazing.
A plus.
A++++. We're gonna do it again next year. So, all right, you guys. See you soon. All right, you guys. So we went from the boat. Now we're heading on the train. Headed to Paris, y'all. We've been on the adventure. We're still going. All right, we are off. We made it to Paris on the train. We haven't made it to Paris. We're leaving. Oh, I thought you said we made it. We're leaving.
We're on a
fast train.
We're on a fast train, so we'll get there in like 3 hours. And we got business class, so we're gonna be nice and comfy. Feet up here. Got our snacks. So we should have a nice ride. He's going to sleep. I'll probably be out because I never sleep. All right, see you guys when we get to Paris.